Welcome to this course where we'll be discussing about how to use Python for data analysis. In this video, we'll explore why Python has become the go-to language for data analysis and why it is essential for anyone aspiring to work with data to know Python. So let's get started.
9 to 5 data.
Why Python for data analysis? We have 5 points we'll be discussing today about why Python is an important tool for data analysis. The first point here is versatility. Python is an incredible versatile language that can be used for a wide variety of tasks, including web development, automation, and of course, data analysis. Its simplicity and readability make it accessible for beginners while still offering capabilities for seasoned professionals. With Python, you can easily manipulate and analyze data and even create visualizations and build machine learning models, all within this same environment. The second point is rich ecosystem. Python boasts a rich ecosystem of libraries and tools specifically designed for data analysis. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and so on. So they all provide powerful functionalities for numerical computing, data manipulation, visualization, and statistical analysis. These libraries enable data scientists to perform complex analysis and generate insights quickly and efficiently. The third point we'll be talking about is community support. Python has a vibrant and active community support of developers and data scientists that contributes to its ecosystem by creating and sharing open source libraries, tutorials, and resources. This community-driven approach ensures that Python remains up to date and it also remains relevant in the rapid evolving field of data analysis. And according to statista.com, Python has a community size of 15.7 million people. Wow, that's brilliant. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced data professional, you'll find ample support and resources to help you learn and grow in your Python journey. So the fourth point we'll be discussing here is integration with other tools. Python seamlessly integrates with other tools and technologies that are commonly used in the data analysis workflow. Tools such as SQL databases, Hadoop, Spark, and TensorFlow. This interoperability allows data scientists or let's say data analysts to leverage existing infrastructures, and it allows them to combine Python's capability with those of other tools to tackle complex data challenges effectively. Whether you're working with structured data or unstructured data, or you are processing large-scale data in a distributed environment, Python provides the flexibility and capability and scalability you need to get the job done. The last on the list is industry adoption. Python has gained widespread adoption across industries, including technology, finance, healthcare, and retail. As you might not know, many leading companies and organizations like Netflix, Google, Meta, Spotify, PayPal, and many other important companies use Python for their data analysis and machine learning projects. This makes understanding or knowing Python a valuable skill for professionals seeking career opportunities in this domain. By learning Python, you position yourself for success in job market and gain competitive edge in your career. So, in conclusion, Python, you can say it's a very versatile language and it has a rich ecosystem with good community support and also integrates with tools that are important in data analysis and data science. And the most important thing is that Python is widely adopted in the industry, So this make it an ideal choice for data analysis. If you are ready to unlock the full potential of Python for your data projects, then you need to see the rest of this course and take your skills to the next level. See you in the next video. Thank you.